Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Latitude 14 3420. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing, power down your computer, make sure that it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access the bottom case screws. Now, all the screws you need to remove in the bottom case are noted by the red arrows. These screws are captive screws, which means even after unscrewing them, they do not come out of that bottom case. After unscrewing them, you will take a small flat pry tool and you will insert it into the seam between the bottom case and the computer, and you'll gently pry that bottom case off from the rest of the computer. It's generally best to start out back near one of the two corners and work your way down the sides to the front. Try not to put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, go nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. After you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any of the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model computer, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all the tools and supplies, as well as the replacement and upgrade parts for this computer. Now, before touching anything in a computer, it's always best to unplug your battery first. Computers are safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. Your battery is right down here near the bottom of my screen. It's held in by the screws near the red arrows and plugs into the motherboard near the blue arrow. As you see near the blue arrow, there's a piece of tape that goes from the battery itself over the plug. You can use that almost as a little pull tab. So peel it off of the battery and then use it to help pull down to get that plug out of that port. This computer has two speakers noted by the red arrows. These speakers are not actually screwed down. If you notice the rubber washers over those posts for sound insulation, that's all that's holding them down. So if you're trying to get these speakers up, you can just wiggle them right off of those posts and get them up. As noted by the blue wires, you'll see where the speakers connect to each other and then run up to the motherboard and plug in near the green arrow. Now, speaker wires are very small, very fragile. Definitely don't yank on them more than you have to. And when unplugging it, try to just use your fingernails or a pry tool to wiggle that plug out of the port. Pull on the wire as little as possible. And as an extra side note, if you are having sound quality issues in your computer, if your sound is not consistent across different platforms, try updating your drivers first and trying to fix it that way before assuming that it's a speaker issue and trying an invasive repair like this. I will have a video tutorial link below in the description, also above in the video, and it will show you how to make sure your drivers are updated so you can rule that out first. And lastly, as long as you're in your computer, check out near the blue arrows, this is your RAM. RAM is a large part of your computer's speed and performance ability, and this computer has a good amount of RAM upgrades available. If you want more information on how to upgrade this RAM, check out the video that pops up when this one's done, and I'll explain more about that. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. It could save you some time getting an answer. If you do need to leave me a question or comment, please feel free. I try to check those a couple times a day at least. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.